Welcome to DoGo. We are your home solution. Drilling is difficult, noisy and often not allowed in rented accommodation, and apart from the drill holes, and it also destroy tiles. This is a unique design red warning suction cup. It is easy to install on glass, mirror or smooth tiles. First, make sure there are no gaps on the surface where tiles join. Second, thoroughly clean the surface and rubber suction cup too, then dry. Position the suction cup base on your surface, pull back the tab and push center button until red warning line disappear to lock. Now installation is completely. Please storage after 30 minutes. If you want to remove, just pull back the tab. That's easy. Please be notice the warning indicator after installation. If a red or black line appears around the button, please check the surface suitability. Don't worry. It won't work in your shower. Beware, the suction cup only works on smooth and non-porous surface. It will not work on uneven and porous surface. And do not worry about its quality. Every suction cup should be qualified before ship out to you. So all arrived your hand items should be top quality.